Jeremy, I recognize your voice.
Oh no!
Alice, you can come out from there now.
Oh, that's not fair!
What are you playing, my dear mini trucks?
It's hide and seek.
But we're no good at hiding. Lisa finds us super fast.
Ha ha ha! Do any of you know who else is a champion at hide and seek?
No. So tell us, Grandpa.
It's an owl! And I have a brand new mission for you. Everyone to truck control my mini trucks!
Yippee! A new challenge!
My dear mini trucks, to learn how to hide just like an owl, I am sending you on a mission. You must discover an old owl in the Trucksville forest.
But how are we going to find one?
You will have to demonstrate both discretion and observation.
So does that mean we're going camping?
Yes, Jeremy. I'm programming the launch pad to send you directly into the forest. Prepare for takeoff.
Yippee!
4, 3, 2, 1. Mini trucks, go!
So now how are we gonna find this owl?
Let's split up. That way we'll have a better chance of finding one.
Huh? Come look over here. I think I found one.
Oh!
Ah!
What has happened? I was just fooling around with Jeremy.
Very funny. Okay, it's gonna get dark soon. Let's set up our campsite.
Good idea!
Just in time, and our tents are finally up.
Hello, my mini trucks. You still haven't found an owl yet.
No, Grandpa. And now it's nighttime, so we will never find one.
Yes, you will. Come on up to the tune-up tunnel. I have just what you need. I've equipped you with the headlamp so that you can continue your search for the owl at night. You see, owls sleep during the day, but are up at night.
Really? We do the opposite.
Yes, that's right. That is why it's so difficult to find one. Now it's up to you four.
Okay, let's go find one.
What's that funny noise?
That's the cry of the owl. Listen, choo-wee, choo-woo. Let's be quiet and get closer. That's bizarre. I still can't see it.
Look over there. There! Something's looking at us.
It's the owl.
Oh, so that is how they hide themselves. By taking shelter in the trunk of a tree, of course.
Exactly right. You have discovered the secret of the owls. Now it's time for you four to go to bed. Everyone to their tents. Did you know that in my youth, I was actually pretty good at playing hide and seek? I remember one time when But where have they all gone? You got me good there.
See that, Grandpa Ted? We were well hidden, right?
Yes, indeed. And just like a real owl, you deserve the Champions Cup for playing hide and seek. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum.
Grandpa, we have a problem.
Yeah, a really big problem.
Actually, it might not be that big.
What's the problem, mini trucks?
Somebody has stolen my teddy.
Stolen?
Yeah, we have looked everywhere for it.
Are you sure the four of you have looked absolutely everywhere?
Yes, Grandpa.
Well, you were not very observant then, my dear mini-trucks.
There's my teddy!
I know exactly what you could do to learn to be more observant. Let's go then, mini-trucks. Everyone to truck control. To resolve your little problem, I am going to send you to a dear old friend of mine, Detective Truck.
But why is he called a detective?
Well, his job is to search for any clues in order to solve mysteries.
Oh. So then is he going to teach us how to find clues?
Exactly right. You're going to help Detective Truck to find a cake that has disappeared from the restaurant. And now, prepare yourselves for lunch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Mini trucks, go!
Welcome, dear mini trucks. I am Detective Truck.
Hello!
As you all may know, a very large cake has disappeared. Here's a picture of it.
Oh, that looks delicious!
All right, mini trucks. Now we all have to go and look for some clues.
But how will we do that?
Now you all have to be very observant. We must start searching for things that are connected to the missing cake.
Look, I found something. Here are some crumbs.
The crumbs must have come from the cake. So if we follow the path of crumbs, the cake should be at the end.
That is very good, Lisa and Jeremy. Let's follow the crumbs.
Oh no! The path of crumbs has stopped right here. What will we do now?
Do as you did earlier. Look around carefully.
Look over here! That looks just like cake icing!
Maybe the missing cake is just behind that fence.
Oh, another glob! I'm sure that we have to keep going this way.
Oh no, the missing cake is not here, and there are no more globs.
We have to be quiet and listen for clues. Huh?
Huh?
I think I might have heard something. I'm pretty sure it's the sound of the thief who's eating the cake.
Let's count until 4, and then we jump out to get him. 1, 2, 3, 4!
Oh.
Grandpa Ted?
Then you're the one who stole the cake?
No way! I didn't steal the cake at all, mini trucks.
It was only a surprise. We got it for you, mini trucks. Do you know what day it is?
Of course! It's Alice's birthday!
A very happy birthday, Alice.
Yes, a very happy birthday, Alice.
Happy birthday to you, Alice!
And now, as a small gift, what do you think of the 4 of you each receiving the Super Detective Truck Cup?
Hooray!
Bravo, dear mini trucks. And who wants a piece of cake?
Me!
Me!
No, me!
Cake here?
Yes, I'm telling you that it's here. Yes, well, I'm not so sure.
Hello there, mini trucks. But what are you doing digging a hole in the middle of my yard? Are you doing a little gardening?
Not that, Grandpa. We're searching for the treasure of Sam the Truck Pirate.
Yeah, Sam the Pirate. He's the most courageous of all super trucks.
And it's been told that his treasure is hidden somewhere right here in Trucksville.
But you know that there's very little chance that it's hidden in my yard. And anyways, to find hidden treasure, you need a treasure map.
A map?
Well, think about it, dear mini trucks. Let me ask, how do you think a pirate would be able to find the treasure that he had hidden several years back in the past?
With a map!
That's right! Bravo! Well done. And did you know that one day, Sam the pirate told me a little secret?
Dad, my dear old friend, before I go away on my voyage, I want to trust you with me treasure map. And I'd like you to give it to some really brave trucks who are up to the challenge of finding me treasure.
Grandpa, do you really know Sam the pirate truck?
Wow! And Grandpa, do you still have the treasure map?
Yep. Let's all meet at truck control to study this more closely.
Woohoo! The treasure is ours!
Dear mini trucks, in order to find the treasure, you're going to need to accomplish several difficult challenges. Let's begin by putting the map up on the computer. The map indicates the treasure is buried in Trucksville Desert. But pay attention. Be careful of the mud river.
Okay, Grandpa!
I'm going to program the launch ramp to transfer you directly into the middle of Trucksville Desert. Prepare yourselves for takeoff. 4, 3, 2, 1. Mini trucks, go!
The treasure map indicates that the treasure is buried across this bridge.
There's no way we're gonna be able to cross it. There are gaps.
It's easy. Let me do it, and I'll be the first to get the treasure. Whoa! Ugh.
You must not confuse using speed with rushing recklessly, Alex.
Well, if I hadn't slipped, then I'd already be on the other side. Go on, Jeremy, it's your turn.
I'll never be able to do it. I'm too scared.
Go on, of course you can do it.
Whoa. Oh. Ah!
Oh, poor Jeremy. I think I understand it. Lisa, come on. Let's go together. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and jump! 1, 2, 3, and jump! Super! We've done it! Your turn. You can both do it. It's easier together. 1, 2, 3, and jump!
1, 2, 3, and jump! Woohoo! And we made it!
From the treasure map, the treasure might be right around here, but I can't see it. There's just sand.
The treasure of Sam the Super Truck Pirate.
Super! We have done it!
But the chest is empty. Someone has stolen Sam the Pirate's treasure. Sam the Super Truck Pirate!
Bravo there, mini trucks. You've successfully passed the
What?
test.
But the chest is empty.
Well, that's normal. I created this challenge to see if you are truly worthy of being pirates. You have proven yourselves with teamwork, with great courage, and with goodwill. Here is the reward you have earned.
Yes! We're pirates, you guys! This is
And now welcome aboard, new crew member.
Thank you! Hey, take a look! It's Grandpa Ted, who's come to join us!
Bravo! You four have found Sam.
Hey, Grandpa, we all won. And look at what Sam has given us.
Bravo, mini trucks! You have passed the challenge. And now you've all become real super truck pirates. You've definitely earned the trophy for the treasure hunt.
Yippee!
What are you doing there, mini trucks?
Grandpa Ted, look at us! We're making some soup!
Ooh la la! It looks like mud mixed with stones.
And a bit of grass.
But that's not really how you make soup now. I know someone who's great who could teach you. Everyone to truck control.
Woohoo! Now let's all go for adventure!
My dear mini trucks, Your challenge for today is to join my friend Chef Cookie at his restaurant.
But why do we call him Chef?
Because he's in charge of everyone.
No, Alex. Chef is the name we give to the professional cooks that work in a restaurant. They're chefs of the kitchen.
Oh.
That's right, and you're going to help him with his preparation. I will therefore equip you with mechanical arms so that you can pick up anything and do all that you need to do to learn to cook. I'm programming the launch pad to send you to the restaurant. Are you ready to become real chefs, mini trucks? Four, three, two, one. Mini trucks, go!
Hello, Chef Cookie.
Hello there, mini trucks. So I've been hearing that you're all budding junior cooks.
Yes, but we're not very good yet.
I'm happy to help you. Here's a list of the vegetables that I need for my soup. 3 carrots, 2 potatoes, and 1 tomato. You can find all of them in the garden behind the restaurant. Divide yourselves into 2 teams, and the first team back with all these ingredients is the winner.
Alex, you come with me.
Alice, let's be together.
And you're off.
I will try to get these here. Yeah! Beginner's luck.
Bravo, Alice. We have 3 carrots. Here I go. Do you think that looks like a tomato?
Yep, let's go find some potatoes. How cool! They're potatoes. We have exactly 2.
Hurry, it looks like they've nearly finished.
Quick, Alex! We have to find the other ingredients.
Look, here are carrots. Oh no, it's grass.
It doesn't matter. Look over there.
Tomatoes! We just need to pick them.
Quick! They're going to finish first. Let's hurry, Alex.
Quick, Lisa, we're almost there.
That is what you think. Oh no! I think they won.
And now, let's see what you've got. Carrots, that's good. Potatoes, that's good. Oh, but you don't have a tomato.
We do have a tomato.
That is not a tomato. It's a bell pepper. Look at this. This is a bell pepper, and this is a tomato. Ah, but you have found a tomato. Well done. Potatoes, very good. Oh, you're missing the carrots. Well, in the end, the 4 of you have managed to bring me back all the vegetables on the list.
Does that mean we all won?
Exactly right. Yup, in the soup. And to thank you for your work, you get real chef hats.
Wow! Oh, look, Grandpa! All of us are real chefs at last!
Bravo, my dear mini trucks. I'm very proud of you.
So then, shall we taste the soup?
Grandpa! Me first, okay?
My dear mini trucks, you have definitely deserved the little chef's